Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and add timers here on Capcut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now, the easiest way on how you could go ahead and add timers here on Capcut is by adding some stickers. You could just go ahead and see that at the stickers tab that they have right here. Inside, you want to go ahead and search for timer, and then you have a few options right here. You could just go ahead and download some of them and just go ahead and click on add to track. But if you want to go ahead and add a specific timer into our CapCut, you could just go ahead and get some into maybe YouTube or stock footage around the internet. In this video, we are going to use this video right here of a 5-second timer. Now, this is a green screen timer, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you on how you could go ahead and remove the green screen right here. To go ahead and do that, let's just go ahead and click on our specific video right here, which is the 5-second timer. And inside, you will then be able to see the cutout button. Inside the cutout button, you have your chroma key. Just go ahead and enable this option. And inside that, you also have your color picker. Go ahead and click on the dropper icon that they have right here. And finally, just go ahead and click on the color green. And lastly, just go ahead and turn this slider right here, and then you will be able to see that the chroma key will go ahead and take its effect. And if I go ahead and play this video, we now have this timer into our CapCut. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time, and always thank you.